Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn off vibrations in our Samsung Galaxy S22. We want to turn off vibrations. We can do it here. For example, now we have sound and vibrations turned on. Now our phone will only vibrate without sounds, and now everything is muted. But we want to have we want to turn off vibrations only and have sounds. So let's go settings, then sounds and vibration, and here we have our functions. We can have our vibration when our phone is ringing. We don't want it. Whatever is here, call vibration, and we can turn it off to silent. Now our phone will no longer vibrate. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.